Hello everyone. Today I am celebrating Sunil Devnani. He is one of my clients and he has come a very, very long way. He is the co-founder and marketing director for InnoFit Systems Private Limited. He has more than 35 years of experience in the workspace furniture business, and he is awesome, I would tell you. So, Sunil, tell us about yourselves first and then your business.
Hi, I'm Sunil Devnani. My company name is InnoFit Systems. So yes, as Shraddha said, we have come a long way. I've been in business since more than 35 years. Well, I have a very loving family, wife, 2 kids. Now, since last 2 years, I've got a beautiful daughter-in-law also. Like I've got 3 children now. And by God's grace, everybody's well settled. I am well settled in my business, and all my 3 children also very well settled in their respective careers. Yeah, and talking about myself, I'm always a learner. I consider myself as a work in progress, though even I'm right at 60 years right now. But I'm always a work in progress and looking at always learning new things. And of course, now out of experience, I've been more selective in give what training to do and what training not to do. I'm much more selective now. I've learned through experiences where I may have wasted time on certain workshops or trainings or whatever it is. So yeah, so that's me. As far as business, yeah, as far as my business is concerned, we are manufacturing accessories for office furniture to make the office employee very comfortable. Whether it is the work from home employee or the employee working in corporates, there are millions of them out there. So practically, in generally, our clients are the office furniture manufacturers like Godrej, Steelcase, Saver. So there are hundreds of them. They are our clients. So for example, we'll give them like ergonomic monitor arms, ergonomic footrests, keyboard drawers, ergonomic height adjustable tables. That is what we provide to them. Essentially, we are into manufacturing. Of course, we have a little bit of trading also, but essentially we are in manufacturing.
Fantastic. And let me tell you, they have so many innovative solutions that they have come up in the past 1 year, of course, and earlier also, isn't it, Sunil?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Awesome, Sunil. So I wanted to ask you, Sunil, before we started our journey in July and now, what was the state before? Like, what is it that you were trying to achieve that was not happening? What was the state before starting off our program?
Well, it is this way. Yeah, there are a lot of things I wanted to do or wanted to say or wanted to move my associates or move my close partners in the business. But at the same time, half the time I would, let us say, speak up, and half the time I wouldn't speak up, maybe because of maybe lack of confidence or maybe something related to self-talk. But then, there's been a great journey with Shraddha all these months, and now I'm speaking up much more. I don't hold myself back. So one of the key takeaways from me from this workshop with Shraddha is don't hold yourself back. So that is what I practice almost every day. Is I don't hold myself back. So there have been various incidents difficult to explain all these things, but definitely things are moving much better. I'm more fulfilled. Let me put it that way. And in fact, there was also a social project I wanted to take up that is pending since years. And even just after doing the discovery call with Shraddha, we had not even started her 4-month course yet. But there are also certain things started falling in place. So it's like I to believe in the law of attraction and the power of the universe. So certain things started, what should I say, falling in place. And since so many years, I was not able to get started. I was not able to get that, like-minded people, like-minded friends to join me. That happened like this. And we have been doing great in that social project. We have sponsored 25 students for their college education. That's through my Rotary Club. I'm the main initiative with me and 3 of my friends there. So 25 students for college education, right from 11, 12, first year, second year. And there's this girl who wants to do medical, and we are paying her coaching classes, not only college fees, for a lot of students, we are paying coaching classes for the entrance exam. So that really gives me that kind of a great fulfillment and a sense of self-satisfaction, what I was thinking since years. And I don't know what, something was holding me back. I don't know what, but with Shraddha and that journey, that has made me more, let me put it, spirited. So I can take up all
Fantastic.
that part.
Fantastic, fantastic, Sunil. We started with few of the action items, like you had been very, very specific that this is what I want. Where do you think have we reached those with ease?
Uh, See, as far as my social project is concerned, yes. And as far as business numbers are concerned, what numbers I've taken up, uh, the nature of my business does not happen overnight. It doesn't happen the next month. It may not happen the next quarter also. But definitely things are looking back. I've taken let's say a bigger goal than otherwise I would have. And I'm sure we are on the march to that. We are marching towards those bigger numbers. And I'm confident by the end of this financial year, that is March 2022, that will happen.
Fantastic. Before we started, in terms of numbers, and now before we started, what were the number that you were looking at for the March year end, and now after, how much percentage increase that you see very confidently that's going to happen?
This should be not a huge number, probably around 12 to 15% I've taken additionally. It's not a huge number. But in any case, because before this already we had taken a big target. When we started the year in April 21, we had as it is taken a big target. So there's not much scope of jumping it very hugely. So yeah, I think it's about 12 to 13%.
Okay, so you had taken a big target. Over and above that, you're saying that it's going to be 12 to 15%.
Yeah, I've stretched it
so
more.
bigger to bigger
Stretch it.
goals. Like it's the unreasonable revenue
Yes,
goal.
it's about being
that you had.
unreasonable. Yes,
Indeed.
yes.
So fantastic. Now, if I have to ask you that top two things that shifted for Sunil in this period of time, what were they?
See, all the shift happens here in the mindset. So it's like, if you keep on doing what you're doing, you'll keep on getting what you're getting. So it's very important to have a shift in the mindset, because once you have that shift in the mindset, in the belief system, so, and if you're feeling very strongly about it, and you've got a strong intention to change for the better, obviously, in your being, so then it's easier for the shift to happen. So the two major shifts is one is more self belief in myself. First I would doubt, if I say kuch mujhe like, kuch bada goal lene ka, if I want to take a big goal, then I may doubt myself, and then it will straight away go to the back burner. But now I've got my more confidence of that possibility. Yes, I can. Yes, ye ho sakta hai. Thoda maybe it's looking like a big goal or something, and I don't have all the resources and ideas in place, but ye ho sakta hai. So that is one big shift in the can-do space, in the can-do mindset.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and the other big shift in my behavior, which I just already mentioned a few minutes back, is about don't hold yourself back. And one thing I believe in, because that changes the quality of my conversation in terms of assertiveness, in terms of holding people for the timelines. I would say, "Acha, ye kab, okay, do this, do that. You have to, what happened, you have to." But now I'm more timeline oriented. As ye kab tak hoega, for example. So yeah, that is also shifted.
Fantastic. So you've become more focused. The level of clarity is very different. And
Yes,
then you are
yes.
not holding yourself back for anything,
Yes,
Right.
yes.
So in business specifically, with whom all, like, working with your staff, how it has shifted, like in terms of your day-to-day routine, the kind of stress levels, or, getting stuff done from the people, how much it has shifted and how it has shifted.
Yeah, it is much better. Is my long list of to-do list, with various people. Okay, I've got this pending. So that has come down, because many a times I was earlier on looking at kind of a perfect situation to do some reviews or tell somebody something. So now I don't wait for perfect situations, and I say, chalo, isko like some things can be squeezed in few minutes also. I said, चलो यार इसको 1, 2, 3 करके खत्म करो. So that way my list of pending things with people gets smaller and smaller.
Fantastic.
That is a major thing, yeah.
Yes, amazing.
And let us say one more thing is I'm a little less sympathetic towards my key people, because I mostly deal with my key people. I don't deal with every employee, because I've got around 35 workers, but they're in my Pune factory. I'm based in Mumbai. Here also I've got about 15, 20 staff in Mumbai. So of course my key people are about 4 to 5. So yeah, so I'm, let's say, more assertive with them, and more my behavior shows that they realize that there's more sense of urgency in me.
Fantastic. And does that percolate down from them to the others as well now, earlier?
Good question. Honestly speaking, I have not checked on that.
Okay, that's fine. Maybe that's something to be reflected upon.
Yeah.
Okay. What else has shifted apart from business in terms of family, or in terms of social relationships, or the social projects you mentioned that you're working on?
Yeah, of course. In terms of non-business, in terms of family, etc. I think I'm just a little more in touch with my, let us say, extended family, with my relatives, aunts, etc. So what used to happen is, let's say, I would just, let's say, totally wind down, let's say after dinner, say around 9ish or something. But then I always have my list ready between 9 and 9:30. Okay, these are a couple of phone calls I can push through, which otherwise mentally I say I'm exhausted. Khana khaya ho gaya, khatam, just chill with wife and other family, son, daughter-in-law, whatever it is, and call it a day. But now, something or the other activities going on, making phone calls, and it could be related to social activities, towards community, towards being in touch with family and friends. Yes, so that has shifted.
Fantastic, awesome. So if I have to ask you that, choosing to work with me, how had been your experience completely?
Yeah, of course, the experience has been very great, and Shraddha, I'm thankful to you to be that catalyst in that journey of mine, to be that catalyst in Sunil's transformation. Okay, let me put it that way. So I'm really grateful to you. And what is important, of course, you do a great job. You definitely do a very great job in running your workshops. And one thing I've seen, whatever few workshops I've been attending, is in many cases there's a lot of overlap. That same thing is getting repeated, maybe 50%, 80%, or even 40%. Is the same thing which is getting overlapped. But in your case, I've seen that everything is new. Maybe there's maybe 10 or 15% will say, "Arey yaar, ye to maine ko to pata hai, I may have read in this book or in this course or law of attraction and all that." But what you're teaching is something very different, very new concepts, and also very relevant. It's not just they are new and one should get carried away. Ye to kuch naya hum seekh rahe, but definitely very relevant, as you can see in that shift that has happened to me.
Thank you. And our association, in terms of the follow-ups, in terms of the way we had been close knit for the past 4 months, anything you want to mention about that? It's just been like we've been doing the workshops, but then in between the whole program as such.
See, this is where right now the limitation comes of Zoom call. There's definitely much better to have an offline, or in a physical space, everybody meets together. Then that camaraderie and bonding is much better.
Of course.
Right. So anyway, so that's the limitation. I don't think there's we out so far. In any case, I've made good friends with Manish Khanna from our group, and we are and you have also taken care to pair like-minded people or similar with similar interest, etc., and probably maybe similar age group also. So I've offered Manish, I'm waiting for him to respond. I'll come to your office for a cup of coffee, or you come over.
Indeed.
So now I'm waiting for Manish to respond on that.
Fantastic. Fine. So, Sunil, thank you so much for sharing. And I really, really celebrate you for all the work that you have done. And I'm really proud of you for the shift that you have brought in. I had been there with you as an accountability partner, as a catalyst, but the work, of course, is done by you, and the whole credit goes to you. So, thank you so much, Sunil.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, one thing I'd like to mention is the trainer is going to be as a catalyst, as an important catalyst. काम हमको करना है. There's no magic wand for any student in any workshop say कि अच्छा चलो मैं बैठा हूँ, है ना, चलो trainer I don't have to do anything. I'm going to do. That's not a magic wand. काम मेहनत तो करना है participant को.
Indeed. And you have done that. And I'm so proud of you for that.
Thank you.
I celebrate you, Sunil. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.